Ang buji chichong. Didi kung kola. Ang buji. Good morning. It's 6 o'clock, guys. The dog woke me up, my honey too. I'm gonna have coffee, or I'm just gonna lie down first. So good morning. I will see you. I'll be right back, guys, later. It's still dark outside, look. Dark. I make pancake here and another pancake, and I don't know why Tommy doesn't want pancake. He has a little cute little eggy here. They still have egg in here.
It's got a unique taste to it. It tastes alright. I like white bread.
So I make a lot that, you know, if Tommy wants some of this, if he decides to munch later, it's here. And for tomorrow also, it's burnt. I burnt my pancake. I burnt it. Very proper. I burnt my pancake. It's really dark here, guys, because Tommy doesn't turn the light on. Because he's afraid. Oh, people. TV time, guys. I'm not gonna feed the dog yet because they don't eat their dinner last night. So we're just gonna watch TV first, lie down, relax. Raihan, relax first. I'm going to relax. What? Oh, what is that?
Plus, it's a great pizza stone. The grill side is non-stick and non-scratch. For just $29.99.
Roxy over there. Mister right there in her bed. No, you are not coming here. Well, don't listen, guys. Oh, I need a jacket and a nice cold pajama. A nice piece of pajama for cold. I know I have it here. Where is it? I know I have it. I know I have it. I'm wearing all burgundy, guys. Look. Burgundy. I love burgundy. Burgundy. Are you guys want a giveaway dog giveaway? What? Guys, I'm willing to do a giveaway dog. I'm gonna feed the dog. What happened to you, Roxy? The first thing is Roxy. I'm sure there's a lot of people want Roxy, so giveaway! No giveaway! Tommy said, "Oh, fun. I don't even want to play with it." You know what they're doing now? They don't eat it. They do like this, pretending covering it. Roxy, eat it. Hey. They're covering it. That means they want to save it for later. If you don't want to eat it, I'm gonna take it away 30 minutes from now. And then that's it, though. Now she's eating it now. I'm going outside to put lights on, guys. This dog is just gonna keep barking because I'm outside. I will put you right here, guys. Okay, guys. here. It was really cold out. This time is still outside. Replacing some bulb in the Christmas light because it's not working. So we're gonna have a steak, the one that we have, some vegetables and some salad and rice. And this is what we're having, just like last night. So I'm gonna make Tommy a plate, I guess. This rice, huh? Mix it. You don't wanna eat that? Ah, no, hot dog is right here, under there. Yeah. That's the only one there. Portion. So, okay, hon. I'll make your plate, and the dog is gonna be starving because you don't eat your breakfast. It's not my fault that you don't eat. Tommy is putting the karaoke.
Alright, please.
Just so you know, I'm not the only person who feels this way.
Well, what is that supposed to mean?
Billy said that he saw you were struggling and he's
Oh my god, there's a lot of things here for Thanksgiving. So I'm using the other camera, and yeah, so it's low, but so it's low, but making noises. Stop making noises. Stop it. Mura silang manok, guys. Para silang manok. Kasi, excuse me, nangakha sila, ngangakha to look for food. Why? This is a wild turkey. That means it's a good meat, hun. Did you see the turkey, guys? Those turkey. Next year, we're ready for Thanksgiving. And Tommy is going out to get some wire. I don't know if he can do it now. Han, why don't you just stay here? We do it next time. Because he is leaving today. He's going back to the other house. Tomorrow is work. And yep. And I need shower.
He sends a singing
It's a good speaker, very small.
The world, the Lord has come. Let's hurry, every heart.
It doesn't like it. Miss this here, guys. The dog hates it. They don't like the loud noise. This is the karaoke handbook. I'll put that higher. He knows you. She knows it's you. She knows it. And the neighbor will think that those people over there is witch. Look, oh my God, nagpalaban ka, Rox. And they're sleeping and you're scaring them. Like, she's hiding under the... Honey, what you did to your kid? That's why they don't like loud noises, hon. Because you did it. Look, Roxy, come here, baby. Roxy, come here. Misty, come here. Roxy. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. I know Dada's is scaring you. I know Dada's scaring you. Come here. You're a scary cat. You're a scary cat. Scary cat. You're a scary cat. Honey, you really are a scotch. You are a scotch. I knew exactly what I had to do in order to be there for you. You were feeling low. The things we ever wanted were yours and mine. I forgot. I have to defrost the pork that I can marinate it, and then tomorrow it's gonna be yummy. Marinate it tonight. Okay guys, may naalala lang ako. I remember something. Okay, that I always listen in the radio when I was in Cebu. Okay, this is the thing. Kini ang akong suliran. Og sa dihang si Doktora Lourdes Rosaroso. Oh my Lord. Kini ang akong suliran. Lurisan. Suliran. Kini ang akong suliran. Si Doktora Lourdes Rosaroso and at si Priscilla Raganas. And I still remember these people. I love listening them. At saka si Goliath at saka si Tiban, guys. Si Tiban. They're comedian, guys. Ambuchiki. Kikiriki. Ambuchiki kwela. Ambuchiki wili. Ambuja chichong. Didiji kong kola. Ambuchikwi. Oh, now I forgot his name. This is the thing. I remember his name. It's not Goliath, Tiban. That's different. They're actor, radio actor, in drama. Si Tiban, si Goliath, si Sambuchiki, ang Chiki Koila, ang Chidi Kong Koila, Sambuchiki Kai. You know his name. I will put it down right here, guys, if I remember when I'm editing this one. When I edit this.
I'm not saying that I'm completely innocent.
My husband need to go back driving because it's getting dark and I don't want him driving so dark.
Oh, please. You're kidding.
Why are you kidding?
Fine. You drive at night all the time.
So, light is on in there. Look, 2 lights. And he bought a lot of wires for all the lights out. I made coffee for him, but he said no. I asked you, do you want coffee? No. I said, Han, do you want coffee? No. You went from to the basement. So this is hot water over here. Very hot. You want coffee?
Yeah, I'll take coffee.
You want water? Instead of coffee, you drink more
Don't
water.
open the window when you're filming also. I took the screen out. And don't let them in, they'll rip that screen apart. The screen's inside leaning against it.
Why you take the screen out?
To go out on the roof. It's not a screen that pushes up, it's a screen that has to take the whole thing out.
Okay then. Do you wanna go with Dada?
I'll drop you over to the recycle place.
Roxy, do you wanna go with Dada? It's okay with me. Do you wanna bring that pork that you can easy for you when you get home?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why? Do you? There is corn over there that I made, huh? Do you want pancake for tomorrow? Backable! Anyway, guys, insert shout out to my friend. So I'm gonna do an insert shout out to my lovely commentors. Hi guys! Okay, shout out to Sumpay Mars. Sumpay? Sis, did I read it right? Sumpay, like as in, you know, connected. Oh, no. Connected? Sumpay? Sumpay, continue. Continue, connected. Okay, Sumpay Mars. Hi Mars! And thank you for watching and thank you for the comments. Nagpapa-shout out din si Rosel din si her family in Bohol, Sinya. Hi to Sinya family from Bohol. Hi guys. Hey, Merry Christmas everyone. Advance. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's continue to the vlog. Maybe tomorrow is part of your vacation.
No, you couldn't do this week. Remember I told you?
I know you told me. Maybe you remember you forget before you go to work, even if you're off.
I forgot that. But this, I forgot she couldn't do it.
Anyway guys, I'm just gonna spend a little huggy with my hubby. Huggy with my hubby. Huggy with my These 2 dogs wanna go out? Do you want to go out? Yeah, he just left and he took picture outside and oh, that's him calling now. It's nice, huh? It's okay, it's fine. Roxy looks like a deer. I think she has a part of deer. Yeah. No. Smells really good, guys. I can smell the ampalaya right now. This is ready to eat. And I'm gonna marinate this, or I'll marinate it tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm wearing the same thing from last night, and this is what's under my sweater. So anyway, I'm just going to edit a video right here, you know, in my laptop. I hope my husband's already home. I'm going to call him back. And anyway guys, thank you guys so much all for watching. Thank you all guys for watching, and I really appreciate it so much. And yes, so Merry Christmas in advance to all of you. I'm gonna end this vlog guys, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye, see you in my next vlog. Bye.
No one compares, you stand alone.